Good morning, guys. This is Theo. I usually make my videos in the evening, but today was such a special day and such a beautiful day. This is the Wilsonville Library. And as you can see, it's surrounded by beautiful roses and flowers. So that's the contemplation for today. It's quick. It's a bird glass frame. And I want to introduce you to our newest lovebird, a male. We just got him. He's the newest member of the family. There you go. Female lovebird. Very, very, very friendly. Baby, 3 months old. Still figuring out what her name's going to be. So, I'm open to suggestions for names. Anyway, enjoy the day. Love everybody. Bye-bye. Talk to you soon.